Good morning, students. How are you today? This lesson is about my family. So let's have a look at the family tree. Here's the family tree and family relations. So let's read about family relations. Read with me. Okay, follow me on all the slides. Father, father. And we can say dad, dad. Mother, mother. We can say mum, mum. Husband, husband. This is when you get married and the man becomes husband. Wife, wife. And this is the woman. When she's married, we say wife. Daughter, daughter. This is the girl when you have children. Son, son. And this is the boy. Brother, brother. Sister, sister. Some more relations and plurals. Nephews, nephews. And nephews are boys from your sisters or brothers. Okay. Nieces, nieces. These are girls from sisters or brothers, daughters, and together they are called cousins, cousins. If a man has two wives, we say wives and not wife, okay? Wives. More than one daughter, we say daughters, daughters. Sons, sons. Brothers, brothers. Sisters, sisters. Let's read one more time. Father, dad. Mother, mum. Husband, wife. Daughter, son. Brother, sister. Nephews, nieces. Wives, two daughters, two sons, three brothers, four sisters. Follow me on the next slide. Let's read about my family. I am married and I live with my family. I am a teacher, but my husband is a bus driver. I have one son and his name is Adam. He is married and he has two children. His wife's name is Anne. They are both doctors and they live in London. I have two daughters and they are both studying. Their names are Isha and Asma. Everybody is very busy in my family. Let's read one more time and read with me, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the videos. I am married and I live with my family. I am a teacher, but my husband is a bus driver. I have one son, and his name is Adam. He is married and he has 2 children. His wife's name is Anne. They are both doctors and they live in London. I have 2 daughters and they are both studying. Their names are Isha and Asma. Everybody is very busy in my family. So follow me on the next slide. This is extended text, so there are a few more sentences if you like to read this one as well. I am married and I live with my family. I am a teacher, but my husband is a bus driver. I have one son and his name is Adam. He is married and he has 2 children. His wife's name is Anne. His children are my grandchildren. My granddaughter is 7 years old and my grandson is 4 years old. My son and his wife are both doctors and they live in London. I have 2 daughters and they are both studying. Their names are Isha and Asma. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. They all live in the UK. They are all married and have grown-up children. Their children are my nephews and nieces. They are all married. Sadly, I don't have any parents. Everybody is very busy in my family. Now you can read this and keep practicing. Look at the important words which are darkened. So the first line, family, husband, son, his name, children, his wife, grandchildren, granddaughter, grandson, son, wife, then 2 daughters, 2 brothers and 1 sister, nephews and nieces. They are my brothers and sisters' children, and parents, mum and dad. Nephews and nieces. Remember, nephews are boys and nieces are girls. Okay, so now you can write about your family and make a family tree. I hope that you will learn something from this lesson. Until next time with another lesson, don't forget to like the video. Thank you so much for practicing with me. Bye bye now.